I'm a career woman. Ayoko ng may estorbo. Kaya nga sa edad na 30, single since birth pa ako. Siguro yun ang problema. Masyado akong nakafocus sa future ko. Masama bang dahil may pangarap ako, walang lalaking pasok sa standard ko? Sabi nila masyado daw akong mataas. Ayoko lang naman ng walang patutunguhan. Hindi ako nagpasubsob sa pag-aaral at pagtatrabaho para sa wala lang. Sabi nila masyado akong intense. Ang hirap kong i-please. Hindi ko naman siguro problema kung I'm waiting for a man. Not a child, not a kid. Ako si Bella and I think I have a problem with balance. My love, wala namang problema for having a standard. Walang problema if you have this certain vision of how your relationship should be to fit your world. You worked hard to get to wherever you are right now. Pinagtrabahuhan mo yan, pinagsumikapan mo yan, pinagpaguran mo yan. So if you have this certain standard when it comes to a person sharing this life with you, no one can blame you. But if, my love, along with that, you have a doubt as to why no man has ever reached that standard, then, my love, that one is on you. I'm not saying na mataas yung standard mo. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, walang problema eh. Kung meron kang certain requirement na hinahanap sa tao or meron kang hinihintay na initiative mula sa isang tao at hindi mo pa nakikita yun sa ngayon. Pero I don't want you to beat yourself up in the process. I don't want you to doubt yourself. I don't want you to have second guess, second thought as to if you are that difficult, kung unworthy ka ba, kung hindi ka ba maganda, kung hindi ka ba kamahal-mahal, kung masyado bang nagiging mataas yung standard mo, kasi that is you contradicting yourself. Sabi nga nila, if you are aiming to be a queen, then do not let anyone dull your crown just to be with you. Hindi mo kailangan ibaba yung sarili mo so that they can reach you. They must rise up to your standard so they can be worthy of you. Hindi ko din sinasabing maging mapagmataas ka. Sa mga lalaking gusto lang naman ipakita sa iyo that they admire you, they appreciate you, they wanna take on the challenge, you can say no. Pero wag mong sabihin when you are on the process of screening, kung sabihin na natin, wag mong sabihin sa kanila na hindi ka kasi pasok sa standard ko eh. You are not at my level. Kasi that is just you being rude. That is just you being so full of yourself. That one is something that you have a conversation with to yourself. Keep it to yourself, kumbaga. Sarilinin mo na lang. Pero wag mo na iparinig sa iba. Kasi not everybody can understand you. That you have this grit in life kasi meron kang pinanggagalingan. Kasi meron kang pangarap. Meron kang goal and you want to reach it. Just be prepared na not everybody will be as intense as you. Not everybody will be this fueled as much as you are. Not everybody can keep up with you, kumbaga. So, if the price to pay is for you to be alone for quite some time, kasi wala ka pang makitang lalaki that is worthy of you, or lalaki na can make you change your mind, or lalaki that can surprise you to the point na he is everything, or he is the complete opposite of what you are asking for, and yet you are still floored by this person. If hindi pa siya dumadating, then hindi. Don't worry about it. Don't even worry about what other people might say. Yung opinion ng ibang tao sa ginagawa mo. Sabi mo nga, di ba, you have a goal. And your eyes were always or has always been set to the goal. Then don't let it wander by trying to please anybody or by trying to listen to what they say. Kasi my love, in this life, I envy your focus. I envy your will. I envy your drive. Kasi you are a strong woman na kumbaga kung titignan ko, indestructible. So again, my love, if sa ngayon wala pang lalaki na pumupukaw sa atensyon mo, worthy enough for your curiosity man lang, then so be it. Huwag kang magpa-pressure sa edad, huwag kang magpa-pressure sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Go after what you like. Go after what you want. In this life kasi, we have to live with no regrets. Ito yung tipo ng journey na kailangan wala kang stones unturned. Wala kang doors unopened. Kasi, you'll regret it for the rest of your life. So if for the time being, gusto mo munang maging focused, this independent, strong woman na nakafocus sa career, then go. Don't contradict yourself by doubting kung masyado mang mataas yung standard mo, by doubting yourself if you are being too full of yourself na feeling mo nasa pedestal ka. Wag. The moment you let those words distract you from what you want, then you'll start to pretend to be someone you are not. If you want to create balance in your life, give yourself some time to be ready for that balance. As of the moment, you are not yet there. As of the moment, yung portion ng buhay mo na going after your career is weighing heavily over your personal goals or your personal want to be with somebody, and that is okay. Walang mali doon, walang magsasabi na mali yun. Now all you have to do is stand by yourself. Kasi hodang wala kang jowa, kasi hodang wala ka pang experience, that day will come. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, yung balance na hinahanap natin in life. Sometimes, we have to give ourselves some time to be ready for that. It's a skill that is yet to be mastered for the rest of our lives. Yung balancing our goals, our personal wants, sa ating social wants, social needs, relationship needs. So kung nakafocus ka pa sa isa, my love, don't worry. You still have time. Just enjoy your life as you please. Don't let any word confuse you. It's okay na nagpapakatotoo ka na sa sarili mo, kesa nagpe-pretend ka to be someone that you are not yet ready for. Mas okay na kapag nagustuhan mo nang pumasok sa isang relasyon, you are 100% ready. Kasi when you commit to someone, you have to be 100% ready. Klaro? Klaro.